Welcome to TechLeapR channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to change Google Photos backup quality in your Windows laptop or PC. So at first just open up your Chrome browser. Now from here open up Google Photos. You can search Google Photos from here. Also if you click on this menu icon at the top right corner, from here just click on Photos. After that at the top right corner you can see a gear icon. So just click here to open up your Google Photos settings. And here it is. Now here at the top you can see two options, which is backup quality for photos and videos. You can see original quality and storage saver. Now if you select original quality, then photos and videos will store with no charge to their quality. On the other hand, if you select storage saver, then you can store more photos at a slightly reduced quality. That's it. And you can choose any option as you want, but I suggest you to set original quality. Also, if you have shortage of storage, then you can choose storage saver option. You can see settings saved successfully. And that is how you can change Google Photos backup quality in your Windows laptop or PC. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.